Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be filming a power hour for you guys just to give you some cleaning motivation. Now I have already created a to-do list and I'm going to be totally honest. I want to get everything done on this list plus more, just because I don't have my kids today. My mom calls me after work and she's like, hey, I'm going to take the kids to your grandma's house, so go home and take a nap. I'm like, really mom, take a nap without kids? No. If you have kids, you know exactly how hard it is to get any cleaning done with them. So to me, no kids is like, I'm gonna be productive. I'm not gonna go to sleep, even though I really want to because I'm exhausted, but I would just wanna tidy up. Today's Friday. I did rent a movie and I just wanna chill today so that tomorrow and Sunday, I don't have to clean. So I'd rather get all my cleaning done on Friday or sometime during the week so that I can really enjoy my weekend. And a quick side note, I am so sorry I've been MIA lately. I've just had so much going on these past couple weeks. It's like my anxiety has been to the roof. I got a new job, so I've been adjusting to that. And then to top it off, I've had so many birthday parties these past couple weeks that I've been so busy. So I am so sorry. No, I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm still continuing to do videos. It's just I needed a breather and I needed a mental break to get all my thoughts together and just to like process what was going on. So I am so sorry if you guys have been waiting on my videos. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely consider following me over there. It's the same as my YouTube name. It's called themomlifebalance. Just because if something were to ever happen like this again, I can just quickly notify you guys through Instagram that everything is okay and you guys are not just left in limbo trying to wonder what's going on. So definitely consider following me over there on Instagram. And if you're coming from my YouTube, let me know on Instagram that you are and I will welcome you over there. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy and get some cleaning motivation out of this. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys. So before I started my 1 hour timer, I did go ahead and turn on Wally. He's our little robot vacuum. And seriously, if you guys do not own one of these, it is awesome. It definitely cuts your cleaning time. This one in specific has a little mop attachment to it. I didn't use it today, but I do see myself using it quite often during the week. I just pop that little mop attachment and it does the job for me. It sweeps and it mops for me, so it cuts my cleaning time in half. So I'm going to stop the chit chat and let you guys enjoy this video with some fun music. I hope you guys enjoy.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Make the most of this night. Come on baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we do